Hello everybody, welcome you all to this overview session on SAP SuccessFactors from Brahmasol. Are you a very high growth company with diverse workforce? Do you think that you need to develop your employee talent strength and focus organization for better execution? Are you looking for a cloud-based HR application as a solution to your business challenges? Then you can look at SAP SuccessFactors. SAP SuccessFactors is a complete cloud-based HCM suite from SAP. The biggest advantage of this solution is that it is very easy to use, it's excellent user experience, and it is accessible via devices like mobile and iPad. Moreover, you do not need to buy the entire suite. You can buy one module like learning management system or recruiting solution which will address your immediate business pain areas. You can then implement other functionalities later as per your requirement. So the principle is that start anywhere and go everywhere. Have you already implemented on-premise SAP Core HCM solution? Do you want a risk-free shift towards cloud-based HCM solution after the core HCM solution implementation? You can with Talent Hybrid solution from SAP and SuccessFactors. SAP ERP HCM can be integrated with SuccessFactors easily through SAP NWPI on-premise or SAP HANA Cloud integration. So if you have already implemented ERP HCM solutions like personal administration, organization management, and payroll, you do not need to shift your entire solution on cloud. Based on your requirement, you can implement SAP SuccessFactors, performance and goals module, or say workforce analytics, etc. And two solutions can talk to each other very easily. Moreover, you can also integrate non-SAP applications very easily with SAP SuccessFactors. For example, you may want to use Aon for benefit solution, maybe Kronos to capture time and attendance, or payroll and BPO services from ADP. SAP SuccessFactors will provide pre-packaged integrations and templates for easier integration, so that you can maintain your complete portfolio of SAP and non-SAP application. Let me now show you some of the important features of SAP SuccessFactors solution. This is the home page of SuccessFactors solution. I have logged in as Carla Grant, who is VP Sales for the organization which is using this solution. And we can see there are a lot of important information in the home page itself which is useful for Carla Grant. For example, the to-do list. She can check at the very beginning that which are the tasks to be completed which are due for a long time. All this information will be at the very beginning of the home page and she can act on that. Moreover, there is goal status. This report will give her an idea of what is the status of the different goals, whether it is in the area of business process or financial or innovation and learning, whether it is on track or not started. All this information she can check in the home page itself. She can also look at which all tasks which are pending for her team members. Here we can see the numbers like 5, 15, 1. So she can check which all tasks are pending for her team member. Now see, this is the same list which is there for her also. So she can keep a track of the tasks to be completed by herself as well as by her team members. Now this is so easy to use and it is actually so user friendly. If I don't want this particular tile to be in this place and it is more important for me, I can simply place this tile from here to here. This shows the power of SAP SuccessFactors solution and why it is called so user friendly. Another important feature for SuccessFactors solution is a centralized org chart where a manager and his or her team members are visible very clearly, and a manager, if required, can go to the employee profile of a person who is reporting to him or her. For example, Carla Grant can directly go and check some more information for Richard, and if required can directly go to the employee profile and check the information. Here all employee master data is stored. Different information like personal information, employment information we can find out, and access to this information is with the manager of the employee and the employee himself. A manager can take any kind of action like spot bonus. So in a nutshell, we can see that this is a very easy to use solution where we can maintain our all employee master data and employee self-services is integrated into the system. Bramasol is a one-stop shop for all SAP HCM applications. We have expertise in both SAP HCM and SAP SuccessFactors. In recent times, we have completed SAP HCM implementation in Janaki Industries and SAP SuccessFactors at San Jose Sharks. Both the implementations included some challenging tasks like replacing ADP payroll with in-house payroll at Janaki and implementation of SAP JAM, which is a collaboration tool from SAP SuccessFactors at San Jose Sharks. If you think that you will be interested to know more about SAP SuccessFactors solution and Bramasol service offerings, then please contact us in the following contact details. Thank you.